What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the best 20 apps for your new Samsung Galaxy A03s. We have researched and tested many different types of apps, and in this one we have reviewed the best ones just for you. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to have OneWeather, and OneWeather is arguably the best weather app out there. It does feature a simple paginated design that shows you the current weather, forecast for up to 12 weeks, a radar, and other fun stats. Along with that, you'll get a fairly decent set of lightly customizable widgets and the standard stuff like severe weather notifications and a radar so you can see the storms approaching. Then we're gonna have Out of Milk, and this is one if not the best grocery list app that you can find for free on the store. It's a must-have, and if you want to have an easy experience, then this is the app for you because it is extremely polished and it also categorizes products into individual sections as opposed to making a haphazard list. Then we're gonna have the Nova launcher, and the ability to customize Android the way you want makes it the world's most popular OS. And while the default TouchWiz and Samsung One UI offers plenty, Nova is the best custom launcher for Android that allows tweaking every corner of your device. It offers tons of customization, complex themes, changes of colors for every element, and even more. Then we're gonna have Galaxy Wallpaper, and this one is a cool HD background app that has over 100 high quality Galaxy pictures, and it works offline so the images are always available to apply as home screen and lock screen background. On spot number 5, we're gonna have Evernote, and Evernote is one of the best note-taking apps for Android. It lets users save important information such as schemas, email addresses, contact information, notes, web pages, create to-do lists, and even more. Users can then access them from other devices, maybe via computer or via web browsers, and it also offers an automated transcription service that will turn speech into text. Then we're gonna have AVG antivirus, and Samsung takes security very seriously, and every one of their devices comes with the in-house Samsung Knox solution for mobile preference to protect users' data. However, it's always good to have a second that lets you do custom scans and remove potential threats. AVG is one of the most popular antivirus apps for Android to protect the device from cyber criminals and software malware by scanning any file you download and third-party APK downloads. Then we're gonna have BITWARDEN, and it's practically impossible to remember all the passwords we use on different apps, and it would be foolish to use the same password over and over. So I recently shifted my choice towards BITWARDEN from LastPass because this is one of the best password managers to manage passwords and generate better passwords. Your passwords are also synchronized across desktop, browser, and mobile with a simple auto-fill-in feature. Then we're gonna have Silk Paints, and this is an amazing drawing application that you can do doodles and maybe sketch. It also includes many brushes to paint and create amazing pictures. The multi-touch navigation and zoom function and ability to draw using a finger or maybe a stylus on the drawings makes it perfect for every device. Then we're gonna have Magisto, and this is a surprisingly good video editor and video maker that automatically turns your video clips and photos into awesome movies, complete with your choice of music, maybe some cool graphics and effects, and best of all, you can start using this app for free. Then on spot number 10, we're gonna have VSCO, and this is a decent photo editor and video editor app in a single package. The VSCO cam operation is straightforward. You can edit, add tweaks, and apply filters, all from a minimalist menu, and users can quickly apply different presets and tools or adjust exposure, temperature, contrast, saturation, and even more. Then we're gonna have VLC, and this is the cross-platform media player that can open just about any video or audio file ever created. and the Android app functions very well. It has an integrated file browser, it also has picture-in-picture support and other nice features. Then on spot number 12, we're gonna have Pocket. And Pocket is a simple app for saving text content you find on the web for later. Pocket displays these stories in a very readable form, distraction-free, and best of all, the app offers a good interface for your device. Then we're gonna have Feedly, and Feedly is one of the most popular feed reader apps on Android, and I like to think that has a little to do with the fact that the app properly supports large screens. So even if your device has a big size, or if your case, the A03s, it is really good for your screen. Then we're gonna have Solid Explorer File Manager, and this is an excellent file manager application, and it's one of the few options with a clean phone interface. It has a dual panel mode for viewing and moving files in between, 2 directories at once, support for network drives, batch operations, and much more. Then on spot number 15, we're gonna have GBOARD Keyboard. GBOARD is a default keyboard application on many Android devices, and it has one feature that is especially nice on phones, which is the one-handed mode, because if you want to use maybe a tiny bit of the space for the keyboard, you can always just do that with this app. It's much easier for me to type while holding on the phone with the one-handed mode, especially when I swipe between letters instead of tapping the keys individually. Then we're gonna have Vivaldi browser, and this is another web browser that works slightly better on Android phones than Chrome. It shares the same core engine as Chrome but offers a tracker blocker, which is an option to always view desktop sites, a speed dial, and a built-in screenshot utility. Then we're gonna have COMIXOLOGY, and this is a comic/manga reader for Android and other platforms. It features integration with Kindle and more, and offline support as well. The app works great on tablets, though comics won't look quite as crisp on lower resolution devices. Still, the fact that COMIXOLOGY is one of the few comic readers out there that offers high resolution imagery is why it's considered one of the better comic reading apps on Android. Then we're gonna have SKETCHBOOK, and this is one of the most feature-packed drawing applications. It's designed for everything from industrial design sketches to digital art, and it works best with tablets and active stylus pen. Then we're gonna have Moonpause Reader, and this is an excellent way to read ebooks on Android phones or tablets, whether they use EPUB, PDF, mobile, or another format. It's highly customizable with different settings for line spacing, the UI, page turns, auto-scrolling, and much more. Then for last, we're gonna have STRAVA, and this one has been around for a long time and is easily amongst the most popular fitness app currently used by Android smartphone users. The app supports most activities you could possibly think of, including running, cycling, swimming, and more. One of the key features is that it supports for a wide variety of Android and Wear OS devices, and Strava is also famous for having a very local and vibrant community within its ecosystem. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.